Q8707. You did not get a good night's rest and have been on duty for several hours. A sign you may be fatigued is A. Improved dexterity. B. Decreased short-term memory. C. Mental acuteness. The correct answer is B. When experiencing fatigue, one of the signs is a decrease in short-term memory. Fatigue can impair cognitive function, including memory and attention. You may find it more difficult to remember information or retain new information when you are fatigued. Improved dexterity or mental acuteness are not typically associated with fatigue, as fatigue tends to have a negative impact on physical and mental performance. Q8708. Under 14 CFR 121, a required flight crew member of an unaugmented two-pilot flag operation may not exceed how many hours duty in a 7 consecutive day period? A. 48. B. 52. C. 32. The correct answer is C. No pilot may fly for more than 32 hours in any 7 consecutive days, and each pilot must take at least one 7-day period off from all duties for at least 24 hours. Q8709. Under 14 CFR 121, a required flight crew member of an unaugmented two-pilot flag operation may not exceed how many hours duty in a 1 calendar month period? A. 120. B. 100. C. 80. The correct answer is B. No pilot may fly as a member of a crew more than 100 hours during any 1 calendar month. Q8227. How does deadhead transportation, going to or from a duty assignment, affect the computation of flight time limits for air carrier flight crew members? It is A. Considered part of the rest period if the flight crew includes more than 2 pilots. B. Considered part of the rest period for flight engineers and navigators. C. Not considered to be part of a rest period. The correct answer is C. Deadhead transportation refers to the transportation of flight crew members to or from a duty assignment as passengers. It is not considered as part of the rest period for any flight crew member, regardless of the number of pilots or the role, such as flight engineers and navigators. Deadhead transportation does not contribute to the rest or recovery time of the flight crew members and is not counted towards the computation of flight time limits. Q8228. Flight duty period hours for flight crew members are limited to A. 190 hours in any 672 consecutive hours. B. 180 hours in any 672 consecutive hours. C. 170 hours in any 672 consecutive hours. The correct answer is A. If the flight crew member's total flight duty period exceeds 190 flight duty period hours in any 672 consecutive hours, the certificate holder is not permitted to plan the assignment and the flight crew member is not permitted to accept it.